Welcome back. Your own code. This gives you a huge capability boost, and we'll be relying on visualization packages, among other, throughout our course. So without further ado, let's learn how to install and load packages. There are two ways to install packages in Rstudio: by using the menus or by issuing a command. If you already know the name of the package you need, the easiest way to install a package is by using the install.packages function in R. Say I wanted to install the ggplot2 package. All I need to do is type install.packages, open parentheses, and notice R automatically closes them for us, open quotation marks, again automatically closed, and type the name of the package, ggplot2, and run the command line. This initiates a search for the package in the CRAN archive. When R finds it, it downloads and installs it on your computer, so all you need to do in the future, if you want to use the package, is just call it from your library. Like this. Type library, open brackets, and the name of the package. This time we do not need any quotes. Did you see that? Notice also that running this does not give us any obvious output. It's just a message to R that we need to use the functions in the package, so it should load it for us. And it should be done. If you want to check to make sure, just try to use a function from the package. For example, I can type ggplot, and what code completion suggests is a bunch of functions, all from the ggplot2 package, as the curly brackets indicate. Okay, that's installing packages directly in the console. But we can also manage packages from Rstudio's packages. Done. And now to load the package, take a look at your user library. This is where all the packages installed on this machine are listed. You just need to scroll down to the one you want, in this case, ggplot, and click on the little square on the left. See? We just told R to load the ggplot package, and we can assume it did because the console didn't give us any sort of error message. That's all really cool, but what about if you don't really know what package you need or is the best for a specific manipulation of your data? One option is to go into the CRAN task views, which lets you browse packages by subject area. Or you can look at blogs dedicated to R announcements, like r-bloggers.com. Either is a great way to learn about what's fashionable in packages now and what has been the best in previous years. Okay, that's it for this lesson. With all that we've learned in this section, we'll have no trouble handling a bar chart, which is the topic of our next section. See you there!